In a small, peaceful village surrounded by green fields lived a kind and cheerful girl named Mira. She loved to help others and always had a smile on her face. She would wake up early, fetch water from the well, and help her mother cook. Everyone in the village loved her. In the same village lived Arjun, a hardworking young man. He was a farmer, always busy in the fields. He had a quiet nature, but a heart full of kindness. He admired Mira from a distance, watching how she treated everyone with love and respect. But he never had the courage to talk to her. One day the village had a festival. The whole village was decorated with lights and flowers. People gathered to sing, dance, and celebrate. Mira was dancing with her friends when suddenly she slipped. Before she could fall, strong hands caught her. It was Arjun. Their eyes met, and for the first time, they smiled at each other. From that day, they started talking. They would meet near the big banyan tree, where Arjun would tell her about his farm, and Mira would share stories about the village. Their bond grew stronger with time. One evening, as they walked by the river, Arjun finally spoke his heart. Mira, I have always admired you. Your kindness, your smile, your heart full of love. Will you walk this journey of life with me? Mira's eyes filled with tears of joy. She nodded and said, Yes, Arjun. I have always felt the same for you. The village elders blessed their love, and soon they were married in a grand celebration. The whole village rejoiced, as their love was as pure as the river that flowed beside them. Mira and Arjun lived a simple yet happy life, proving that true love doesn't need riches, only a kind heart and a loving soul.
Subscribe my channel.